Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aidya Firdauzha Maerast. I'm the representative of State Politeknik of Jakarta for the national election of Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2016. In this opportunity, I would like to propose my concept about Rumah Hijau Indonesia to overcome the increasing greenhouse gas emission from the construction sector. According to the Central Statistical Bureau, the construction sector is the largest contributor to our economic growth, with a percentage of 9.88%. But it also has a negative impact, and one of the impact is global warming. This sector is considered to be a contributor of 40% of carbon dioxide emission, and this factor may also affect the construction sector's contributor to our nation's competitiveness, because the countries that are unable to create a sustainable environment will struggle to compete with the global competitor. For all this time, in planning and designing house, people still focus in economic and technical aspect. Meanwhile, the environmental issues should be considered as the global phenomenon has not been touched. So, Rumah Hijau Indonesia can be one of the solutions from all this problem. And what is Rumah Hijau Indonesia? Rumah Hijau Indonesia is an ideal house which is designed for Indonesian family using the green building concept. It is used energy efficiently, safe for the occupant health, and it can reduce the carbon dioxide emission because it uses the eco-friendly material. Why houses? According to the real estate in Indonesia, there is about 45 million houses in Indonesia. If all houses adopt the Rumah Hijau Indonesia concept, it will give a great impact. Because using the eco-friendly material and save energy and water can reduce the greenhouse gas emission and create a sustainable environment. What is the relationship between Rumah Hijau Indonesia with the global competitiveness? Green building has become a truly international market trend. Kementerian Perindustrian continues to develop the green industry, because this time the demand of green industry has become an important part in order to increase our nation's competitiveness. Around the world, the green building is considered to be a long-term business opportunity. 51% architect, engineer, contractor, owner, and consultants say that their work will be 60% more green in 2015. And this growth is not limited in one region, it's spreading throughout the global market trend. Green building has so many benefits, such as environmental benefit, economic benefit, and social benefit. And more importantly, for the green building research result, 45% less energy consumption, 53% less maintenance cost, and 39% less water use. This is the floor plan of Rumah Hijau Indonesia. There are two floors. For the first floor, there are parallel partition and so many windows, so it doesn't need the air conditioner. And for the second floor, there are two bedrooms and the rooftop garden that function to cooling down the temperature from the second floor. And the material that used from the Rumah Hijau Indonesia is the eco-friendly material, such as for the binder we use fly ash cement. From the life cycle analysis result, using the fly ash cement can reduce the carbon emission up to 90%. And for the wall, we use brick and bamboo. And for the floor, we use material called linoleum that very eco-friendly, and so many more. Rumah Hijau Indonesia ventilation design focus on heat gain control, so it uses low or nil energy consumption, and it uses natural lighting from windows and any other open area. It also has water collection, so the water is collected and channeled to the ground or used for the other purposes such as watering plant. And it also uses the solar panel for the electrical energy. There are two recommendations about Rumah Hijau Indonesia. The first one, there should be a socialization about Rumah Hijau Indonesia to the citizen, student, and the construction company to adopt Rumah Hijau Indonesia concept. And the second one, the implementation of Rumah Hijau Indonesia should be started in the urban area like Jakarta. And that is my recommendation. I believe if we adopt this concept, we can create a better future for Indonesia, a greener Indonesia. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.